If the vada pav goes wrong, no, my whole week is upset. Because it's close to my heart. It's sacred. It's like meeting God, no?
Yeah.
I have a round nose. Look, I mean, it's like round nose, and I have a different body. And for that body also, I just make sure that my body is healthy. Not that I starve myself or something, but naturally my body is in a certain shape because of athletics maybe. Imtiaz sir had once said that, more than the women, the men get more awkward in such parts. So you take care of the co-actor. So what is to protect? You protect yourself. That is the idea. My coach, my parents, everybody was like that. Still, certain instances happened because they happen with every girl.
हाय दिस इज अमीना शेख हियर और कड़कड़ाती धूप में मेरे साथ में आज है अदिति पोहानकर एज शी इज गोइंग टू जॉइन मी ऑन स्ट्रीट डायरीज ओनली ऑन जूम लवली टू हैव यू एंड आई कुड सी दैट यू आर रेजिंग द बार राइट नाउ एंड ऑल्सो द टेम्परेचर
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm so happy.
to eat like local khana and all that, you know.
I think local khana is something that I've grown up on. So I love eating street food. It was always in my cheat day because I was a runner. But even now, it's almost cheat because now you have to take care of your skin and hair and everything. But yeah, eating cheat food is something I look forward to.
Of late, we are speaking a lot about, basically there are some addas, Bollywood addas basically, where you just go, do gupshup, eat, talk, gossip and all. Do you have any specific addas of yours?
Well, I don't prefer to gossip, honestly. But we have addas where we talk about, which film have we watched, or kaun sa natak dekha. So my adda is basically Prithvi Cafe. Yeah, I love going to Prithvi Cafe a lot. We meet all our friends there. We have grown up in that atmosphere also, right? So it's really nice. Like you sit, have chai, you can go read a book and talk about it. And a little bit gossip, yeah, when people do, you can have fun.
And also as we talk about gossip, that is one important, integral part of it. But when it comes to enjoying gossip with a cup of chai, which gossip does, take your interest on?
नहीं, मैं उल्टा करती हूँ. जब लोग गॉसिप करते हैं मैं उनको बोलती हूँ छोड़ो ना यार, क्या करना है, why should we talk about that person. तो मेरा एंटी गॉसिप होता है for sure.
पर जब चाय पे चर्चा होती है तो अदिति को किस टॉपिक से बात करना पसंद आता है?
या तो चाय पे चर्चा कंस्ट्रक्टिव भी हो सकती है. लाइक वी टॉक अबाउट फॉर एग्जांपल अभी ब्रूटलिस्ट देखनी है, ठीक है, क्योंकि ब्रूटलिस्ट की इतनी वाहवाही हो रही है. प्लस इट्स मेड विथ लाइक ऑलमोस्ट लाइक सेल्फ फंडिंग काइंड ऑफ. वी वॉच्ड इन एट द ऑस्कर्स ऑल्सो, राइट. सो वी आर कॉन्टेम्पलेटिंग. आई हैड अ फॉल, सो आई हैड अ टेयर ऑन माई लिगामेंट. तो अभी ब्रूटल्स देखने के लिए क्या ये रिस्क लिया जाए या नहीं, ये सब हम लोग बात करते हैं. फिर ब्रूटल्स देखने के बाद उसके ऊपर चर्चा होती है कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली डिड यू थिंक अबाउट द फिल्म. या फिर एक नाटक देख के हम सोचते हैं कि इस नाटक से हमको क्या आगे, हम कहाँ एज एन एक्टर और एज अ डायरेक्टर. मकरंद सर इज़ माई मेंटर, सो यूजली वी वॉच फिल्म्स टुगेदर. माई सिस्टर इज़ अ writer and now she's a director. So we talk about that what can take us forward as actor, director, however, how should we go forward in our art. That certainly we do a lot. चाय पे चर्चा इस चीज़ के बारे में होती है.
चाय पे चर्चा की बात जो आपने जैसे हमें रिवील किया है फिलहाल, एक चीज़ जो काफ़ी न्यूज़ में आ रही है, जो चर्चे में है, which is about your ligament tear. Every single individual wants to know what exactly happened. आखिर क्या हो गया अदिति के साथ?
Seriously? I didn't know that. I was trying to hide it. But yeah, I was shooting for a very interesting series recently and it's going to be out soon. और वहाँ पर एक्शन करते वक्त मैं बहुत ज़ोर से गिरी हूँ और उस लिगामेंट टेयर के साथ ही मैंने वो एक्शन शूट कंप्लीट किया है. सो एक्टर्स लाइफ इज़ नॉट ईजी मैन, बिकॉज एटलीस्ट एज अ स्पोर्ट्समैन यू गेट टाइम टू रिकवर. यू हैव टू लीव द मीट बट यू कैन रिकवर. बट एज एन एक्टर इतना बड़ा सेट लगा है, लोग वेट कर रहे हैं. मैंने पूरा कंप्लीट किया है मेरा शूट. आफ्टर दैट आई हैव स्टार्टेड टेकिंग केयर ऑफ माई सेल्फ.
जैसे कि एक बहुत ही फेमस कहावत है, राज कपूर सर ने भी कहा है वो, कि द शो मस्ट गो ऑन. डू यू फील कि एक्टर्स की लाइफ में वही होता है एंड खतरों के खिलाड़ी बन जाते हैं कई बार एक्टर?
खतरों के खिलाड़ी बन ही जाते हैं बिकॉज उसका कोई ऑप्शन नहीं होता है. वो ही है, दैट इज़ द फैक्ट दैट व्हेन थिंग्स गो रॉन्ग ऑन सेट, आप नहीं बोल सकते कि यार मेरे साथ ये हुआ है. लोगों को लगता है कि एक्टर्स बहुत ड्रामा करते हैं, पर ऐसी ये बात है ही नहीं. आई एम जस्ट नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ. सारे एक्टर्स जो है आप देखेंगे, शाहरुख सर भी, उनका भी कुछ हुआ था बीच में एंड ऑन सेट ही वाज विद क्रचेस. सो even Hrithik sir, yeah. So however big star you become, the job demands this, you have to do it.
I must say that कि ये काफ़ी टफ जॉब होता है. बट in that moment also, how do you all control your emotions basically? वो मैनेज करना भी इतना आसान नहीं होता, बिकॉज every individual, you know, no matter, you know, what field you belong to, you tend to have your own emotions, you know, and you kind of deal with that. You know, there are angry moments, there are happy moments, there are, you know, sad moments and all. Especially when you're on camera, you have to think कि मैं रो के नहीं, because रोने से फिर आग सूझ जाती है, then the entire look changes and all, you know.
नहीं, बहुत मुश्किल होती है. एंड आई थिंक दैट हर एक कलाकार इस मुश्किल से गुजरता है. जैसे मेरे डैड ही पास्ट अवे व्हेन आई वाज शूटिंग फॉर आश्रम. लाइक बस एक दिन की देरी थी, देन आई वेंट होम एंड ही पास्ट अवे. बट वो इतना मुश्किल था मेरे लिए मोमेंट कि इन रियल लाइफ in real life you can still feel the emotion. Once the shot is over, you can move on. But in real life, how do you kind of balance that? वो मैंने सीखा इस बार. तो आश्रम मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल है because my father was the one who said, you shoot, you don't come back. Okay? For me, you don't come back because that will not make me happy. And I said, wow, if he's saying it, I will do what he says, right? तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत ही it made me a very strong person internally, no? It made me very strong because emotionally I was vulnerable. Plus father was strong. Imagine he's going, he knows. पता चल जाता है कि when you are going to probably pass. But he's saying this to me, you know. तो वो पम्मी के लिए मतलब कहीं ना कहीं I used it for पम्मी, where it gave me strength to face what was happening to पम्मी also. So you know, you can actually live a real life and a real life together, and you can also release what is there within you through your art. That is the point of art also, I feel.
And you know, as you specifically said that, you know, that emotion is something which you cannot bring, you know, basically even at work or on screen. And you know, unfortunately, when we also got to know about your dad, you know, passing away, it's very tragic that the actor has to always keep a happy face, you know. And you know, we don't, sometimes we feel like, you know, even as media people or, you know, as, you know, social media people, it's very easy to troll, and that does happen, you know, so many times, you know, for the outfits or, you know, the kind of, you know, look. How difficult and suffocating it can become, you know, to be in a certain, you know, way. Limelight अच्छा तो लगता है at, you know, one point of time, but when you get involved in it, you know, how difficult it becomes for you.
Yeah, so what I do is, initially I used to get really bothered thinking that, you know, I should do something perfect, or what is the world doing, I should do exactly what the world is doing. But after a point, once She happened, Ashram happened, and now that I've done 3 more series which are coming out on OTT, I realized one thing, that people love you for who you are. You know, I love street food, so I love street food, man. I go to my favorite vada pav places, people click pictures with me. Initially, when I was very young, I used to think if I become popular, I'll not be able to eat pani puri outside. Now, same thing. I am basically dressed the way I am. I'm in athleisure. So I go and I'm like, if you want to click a picture, okay, 2 minutes रुकना, I'll just eat and then we'll click a picture. तो मेरा आप Google पे देखो कि बहुत से ऐसे photos है where I'm seen with people randomly, I'm looking very basic and all that. And I think this is what life is. Don't complicate it. It's simple. It's very simple. आज मेरे को ये सब लोग यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं या नहीं देख रहे हैं, however it is, कल को नहीं भी देखेंगे, फिर भी मैं वहीं रहूँगी. Because I think as an artist, I owe that much to my life. If you make it too complicated, ना, honestly, then you start slipping. Then you're like, मुझे इस चीज़ के लिए ये करना है, उस चीज़ के लिए वो करना है. मैं खाने में भी complication नहीं करती हूँ ज़्यादा. Only milk and other things I don't have, sugar and all those things, because they are not good for the body. That's it. There's no real drama about my diet and this and that. Not even when I was a runner. So I think just chill it out, man. Easy vibes.
बट नॉट नेसेसरली कि एक एक्टर यानी खुद ड्रामा करता होगा, यानी ड्रामा हो भी जाता है आसपास. एंड व्हेन आई से दैट विच ऑल्सो मीन्स दैट यू मे नॉट बी अ डिमांडिंग पर्सन, you may not be a demanding actor, you may not you may kind of go with the flow. There are so many times there are demands being made, by the producers, by the people working around you, filmmakers, by the PR team, by the marketing team, when it comes to promotions and all. How do you kind of dwell into that, and how do you maintain your sanity?
Right. So I basically, when it comes to a script, I just stick to the script. I stick to the emotions of that character, and whatever my director briefs me. For example, I have a personal problem going on, right? And I can see that my director understands this about me. So what I do is that I first tell him that I'm going through this. I might break down, okay? But you capture it. Because मेरा नाम जोकर, वो देखा था, मेरा नाम जोकर, राज कपूर सर का. हाँ, जीना या मरना या. तो इट्स लाइक दैट कि अगर उसमें आपको कुछ भी ये मिल रहा है जहाँ पे probably my emotions are flowing and it's making sense to the character, because what happens is when I'm playing the character also, I am with the character, but sometimes Aditi can slip in, right? So I just tell like, this is what will happen. You tell me whenever to stop, but I will flow with it if it really comes. So again, I make it simple there also. That what is a personal story and what is a character story, right? If you mix both of them and make it one, right? उसमें आप ही का benefit है, because what happens is you make it becomes real for you because you're making it a craft, plus you're keeping your personal space aside by keeping you and your character distinguished between each other. तुमको पता है कि मेरे साथ ये हो रहा है पर इसके साथ ये हो रहा है, तो अवेयरनेस से क्या होता है, ऑटोमेटिकली यू आर नॉट ओवरवेल्ड, क्योंकि एक्टर आफ्टर ऑल बहुत वल्नरेबल होता है यार. आई मीन यू आर व्हेन यू आर गोइंग थ्रू समथिंग इट विल कम इन योर वे एंड यू कांट फेक इट. सो व्हाई फेक इट, जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड विद अवेयरनेस कि ये अदिति के साथ हो रहा है और ये मम्मी के साथ हो रहा है. ठीक है, जब अदिति के साथ कुछ होता है तो उसके लिए छूट रखना कि ये शायद हो जाए, एंड देन दैट्स इट, एंड देन मैजिक हैपेंस एनीवे विद आर्ट.
और एक चीज़ जो होती है जो wherein you know you have to be constantly focusing on that, which is about the way you look like, the shape, the way your features are, and the way you're enhancing it, and when I say that, actors have to go through surgeries or treatments and all to look in a certain manner or enhance their looks. People feel like, oh, they're going through all these, because they're actors, they to do all these things, Now even individuals do that, honestly, just to look in a certain manner, on social media and all that. That adds a lot of pressure also, because first of all you're going through the process and all, then again you're following a certain diet, you can't gain weight, you have to look in a certain manner, you can't feel bloated. Now sometimes health doesn't kind of deal with what you are planning to do for your work. How do you kind of work on that?
Honestly, I don't focus at all on that. If you ask me, I've done 2 surgeries. One is my knee and maybe there was some stomach lining issue. That small surgery process I have done. But honestly, I don't feel the need of doing something like that, because I feel, why should I go through that to validate myself that this is what the world wants to see me as. People want to see actors. People want to see your eyes. They want to see your soul. They want to see who you are and what you bring on the table with this character, right? After that, honestly, not many people have ever told me, I have a round nose. Look, I mean, it's like round nose, and I have a different body. And for that body also, I just make sure that my body is healthy. Not that I starve myself or something, but naturally my body is in a certain shape because of athletics maybe. Or I don't eat junk and all, wo sab hai thoda. But other than that, I don't keep sitting and thinking, I've known my makeup artist was telling me that my makeup artist, this girl is doing some surgeries and all that. I said, but why? Why? Honestly, it's going to be out of fashion soon because everybody's doing it. Now you don't see original faces.
And everyone looks similar.
Everybody looks the same.
Yeah.
So where is the individuality? Today I'm looking at your eyes, honestly, and having this conversation. I'll remember this someday, right? Whenever I require this kind of a vibe, I'll remember it as an actor also. So I personally don't believe in it. People want to do it, it's great. I don't believe in it as of now. If somebody tells me that, Aditi, this is the requirement of something, for something that is, to be portrayed, and you'll have to do it, then I'll think about it. Not that I will smash it, but I'll think about it. But for personal validation, I really don't feel so.
But does that also make actors very insecure? And we do speak about that. That actor's job, as we say that it's tough, it does make them insecure because, there is this constant pressure to look in a certain manner. Even in Bollywood, if you see, the actresses are expected to be petite. They're expected to look delicate. They're expected to, poise. They're expected to talk softly, showcase their feminine energies and all. And if they are trying to, break the barriers and all, they are always, basically judged on those things, They are called challenging or, basically too difficult to manage basically. And we have seen, actresses like Rekha, like Vidya Balan, breaking those barriers, basically. And they have spoken about it, what all complications they have had faced. Vidya Balan had to go through a lot, and following which, she had faced something else altogether after her marriage basically. So what do you have to say on that? Because while you are trying to maintain a professional image, it does come on, it does in a very direct manner, attacks your personal, space.
No, I completely agree with that, and kudos to all these women who have carved their ways. But if you ask me and if you think about it, if I talk about Goody to you, okay, if I talk about Jaya ji to you, if you saw her hair, that time there was no straightening, ironing, tong or whatever. talk about Kajol and DDLJ. You see her hair was all beautifully the way it was naturally, and I think she had those eyebrows also in the beginning. That was actually an individual's, like it was an individuality. Kajol ji and for example Aishwarya was distinguished because of that, right? Now what has happened is outside world is telling you what beauty is. Beauty is not what it's defined as, right? This is a business that people do. But what I feel is that one should not move from where they are. And for that you need a lot of courage, a lot of strength. But hone that strength. No, you're a woman. Like I'm doing all women-centric roles, if you ask me. People are telling me, do proper this thing, do a normal film now. I say, what is normal film? I'm having fun. People are loving it. And such outraged characters, if you see, like Bhumi for that matter. Such a risk for me. First timer, first show, like first ever in Bollywood, and I did something like this. पता भी नहीं था Netflix पे आ रहा है, कहाँ आ रहा है, कुछ नहीं पता था. बस इतना पता था इम्तियाज सर है. आश्रम में पता नहीं था बॉबी सर है, कुछ नहीं पता था पम्मी एक कैरेक्टर है, ये भी नहीं लीड है, ये भी नहीं बोला गया था. कहानी पढ़ के मेरे को ऑडिशन सीन पढ़ के समझ में आया, मैंने ऑडिशन दिया एंड आई सेड चलो ये करते हैं, क्योंकि कहानी ट्रायम्फ की है और वो दौर अब वापस आ रहा है. पता है, इट्स कमिंग बैक, दैट टाइम इज कमिंग बैक वेयर people want to watch stories. That film बातों बातों में, I think, no, what is no, Rajnigandha pull that with Amol sir, Amol Palekar sir, he goes in the woods to learn something. Long back, I think. I don't know what it was called, that film, I forgot the name now. नहीं, you know what I'm talking about now?
Very old.
हाँ, Vidya Sena, somebody like that. Can I search it quickly?
Sure. On that note, as you can see, the food is also here. Now that we have gotten engrossed the world of cinema, the food is over here, the chart food is over here, and we are going to see her also get indulged, eating these food items, I'm sure. So which movie was it?
No, there is Baaton Baaton Mein. There is a film called Baaton Baaton Mein. Then there was another film called Katha. Have you heard about Katha? I just spoke about it. Yeah, so it's, I think that time where people were connected with each other. People were connected with. Abhi kya ho gaya? Because of the phones and everything is so fast, things have moved a little forward, and we have to go with the time. I'm not saying that was good and this is bad, or this is good and that is bad. Nothing like that. I'm a Gen Z kid myself, right? I was born in later 90s, but I still feel, where is the emotion? Because as an actor you learn that first कि line में emotion कहाँ है, वो ढूंढो, subtext क्या है, वो ढूंढो. So I feel that if you just focus on that, if you just enjoy life the way it is, iPhone 20 आ जाएगा और तुम्हारे पास भी आ जाएगा, no problem. You will get all the money in the world, but you will not get this kind of fun to do when you get a script. So when I have a list of directors who I work with, I see that they have fun with their characters. Yeah. So Zoya Akhtar is somebody I really want to work with because I see that झलक हर जगह, कि एक new age कुछ है पर कहानी बताई जा रही है. So I think really don't focus on the exterior, because what will happen is all your mind will go there and you will forget that this beautiful time in your life, when did it come and when did it go. Rather enjoy it, but for that you have to be present in the moment.
And we have to be present in the moment. जिस चीज़ के लिए हम लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं, which is the chart. Basically, I've ordered sandwich for you. Aditi, when first time like to eat, we can talk about it also. But when you are on the sets of your movies, how is it?
I think it's like a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Because the co-actors have always been fun. And secondly, I never feel like, जो लोग आते ही पूछते हैं ना बैकअप कब होने वाला है, मुझे कभी समझ में नहीं आता है. I'm like, we are striving for this day. We are wanting to come and shoot. And at home we keep thinking about it. Then when we are shooting, why do you want to go home? Yes. I mean, what's the fun in that, right? So, मस्ती तो मैं बहुत करती हूँ सेट पे. मैं खाना बहुत खाती हूँ. तो जैसे बॉबी सर का मैंने सारा खाना खा लिया था. यार, मुझे नहीं पता था उनके लिए आया है वो. मुझे बोला गया है, Pammi has to put on weight. Pammi has to eat. Wherever I would see food, I would start eating. Because I would put on 10 kilos. And losing weight is not a problem for me. It happens automatically. Gaining weight is a problem for me. So I ate so much of that litti choka, man. And Bobby sir was so upset with me. Like, I don't know whether he was genuinely upset, but he kept saying, मेरा खाना खा जाती है, मेरा खाना खा जाती है. So these kind of things, small things, then hanging out in the evenings, you know, it's too much fun to shoot. I feel like you're entering a new world as a new character, you know, and you want to explore like so many sides of that character with co-actors on set, off set.
Correct.
So I feel amazing. I feel very blessed when I'm on set. It's too much fun.
Honestly, baat pe, like I really want to know your reactions on the sandwich. I could see that you're enjoying the potato.
Very nice,
You're not
yeah.
letting go of that. You know, potatoes are yummy, right? They are the kind of food that we really love to have.
Yeah, they are.
After how long are you having a local toast sandwich and all like that?
I think maybe a year and a half. Because I don't eat out, I eat at home. Or even if I eat this, I eat at home.
Yeah. And मुंबई में आपने कुछ भी ऐसे नुक्कड़ ऐसे कुछ अड्डे यानी सर्च कर लिए कुकिंग के अलावा जहाँ पर आप जाना पसंद करते हैं?
मैं बहुत सारे अड्डे हैं, especially vada pav, my favorite. If the vada pav goes wrong, no, my whole week is upset.
अच्छा.
Because it's close to my heart, it's sacred. It's like meeting God, no?
Yeah.
So, I have this vada pav place in Parla East, near this Satek garden. You won't even know, it's like a really small uncle, cute uncle. And he fries hot vadas and gives.
I like the cute uncle.
Okay. And you can't go beyond 8:30 because he gets upset.
Oh, अच्छा.
Yeah, he's like, पहले आना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए. So I went to my doctor in Parla. I have a house in Parla also. So I went to my doctor in Parla and I got delayed. So I went to him and he said, इतना लेट कौन आता है? अभी मैं फ्राई करके कैसे दूँ आपको? वो खुद नहीं फ्राई करते, कोई और करता है, बट वो खड़े रहते हैं उधर. He's really short, petite, cute guy. I said, please, मेरे को ना बहुत दर्द हो रहा है, मेरा लिगामेंट टेयर हो गया है. Vada pav is the only healing agent for me right now. And he fried for me then. So, like, you know, really, I love such things, like small things.
That's very sweet.
And-
gesture also towards
Yeah,
you, I
yeah.
would say that.
Absolutely. And pani puri. I think pani puri is something which is again very, very sacred. So pani puri has to be eaten in the right places. So recently my pani puri spots have been, pehle na, in Bandra there's a place near Elko. I forgot the name now. I think it's called something sweets. But pani, I'm sure you also resonate with that, right?
Yeah.
All women, something happens to them when they see pani puri time, 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock. You are like, see, she's laughing. Everybody is like, pani puri is like life and death. So these two are my favorite.
You
yeah.
can't like let go of that.
No,
Like
no,
that,
no,
yeah.
never. I thought if I shift out, I'll go out of India when I should know my friends are going out of India and all. I was like, if I move out of India, how will I eat pani puri, man? I dropped the thought. I said, nahi, very simple.
This is a very good interesting thing, you know, I must say that कि पानी पूरी की चाहत में अदिति ने बाहर जाना छोड़ दिया, बाहर जाने का ख्वाब ही छोड़ दिया. But you know, any as such food items which you have had, you know, the max, and you have had, you know, literally like, you know, you may have like, you know, faced like overeating के चक्कर में basically like, you know, इतना craving होता है कभी कभार, you know, like for example I have craved like having chocolates to such an extent, or like, you know, pizza, that I have overate so much that I have of course like put on weight, and then I'm like I felt like, you know, got tired and all, then to lose weight again it's a task and all. Anything as such, you know, precise जो एक obsession होता है food का, ऐसा आपको हुआ है, and then you know you have just like, oh my god, if I don't get this I'm going to die.
It happens with chips. Baba, chips I can't drop on it. And you know, I buy, when I go to a store, I buy like 16 different flavors if they're there. Now what happened, because I'm supposed to eat healthy, just for life, you know, weight का तो problem है ही नहीं मेरे को, सिर्फ मेरा baby fat थोड़ा बढ़ता है, that's it. But now my sister has told me you have to eat properly. So now I pick up the same flavors in makhana. So makhana, I keep eating makhana. Overeat किया तो भी चलेगा ना?
Yeah,
So I keep eating. Yeah.
And overeat तो पता नहीं, but I would let you have this also. This is papdi chaat. We have made it healthy. We have tried making it healthy. How many times do you basically like, you know, let go of your diet and, you know, you go on your cheat diets and all that?
Once in 2-3 months. I have control. I have no problem. Like I'll crave it, but it's not that I have to eat it. It's okay. If it's bad for me, I'll stop and then I'll eat it later. But sweets is something I don't eat at all. Because also I was a runner, so that time we were not allowed to eat sweets, so it doesn't. But I eat like date sugar, coconut sugar. ये सब अभी मैं खाती हूँ. So those kind of like, you know, Farmer's Cafe. She's a good friend of mine. there are some really nice non-sugary, non-gluten-free, vegan, all that. Very, very nice desserts there. Yeah.
When you're on the set, especially when you're on the sets of, of the movies and all, which is that one thing जिसके बगैर आपको चलता नहीं?
ऐसा तो कुछ है नहीं, but lip balm.
पर खाने में से बेसिकली जैसे कि कुछ कॉफी हो या चाय हो जिसका चाहिए ही, उसके बगैर like your brain doesn't function.
My brain doesn't function. Yeah, it happens with black coffee. Yeah, my brain doesn't function, and especially the intense scenes that I do. I'm like, people smoke, no? I have black coffee, so I take breaks for black coffee. So what I do is, since I want to have it many times, I make as much as I'm supposed to have a mug. I have a little bit, like little. Yeah. Black coffee is something I can't live without.
Any as such dish which you have kind of explored when you're having on the set? या सेट का कुछ ऐसा खाना कहीं पर यानी इन्वॉल्व हो जाना डायरेक्टर्स के साथ में खाना. इम्तियाज़ अली सर के साथ में आई एम श्योर लाइक यू मस्ट हैव हैड अमेजिंग फूड बिकॉज ही इज़ अ फूडी हिमसेल्फ.
But I'm a vegetarian. That's a big thing. Well, Imtiaz sir eats non-veg also. So I've had really nice tea with him. On set, I've had very good biryani, but veg. But the same thing they give me in veg, separately cooked for me. But I think with on set, I've had some amazing biryani in Lucknow while shooting in Lucknow. Yeah.
And what about Prakash Jha sir, like with him?
So he eats very minimal food, basic food. He looks at me and he says, "Khao, tum to kha sakti ho." So I'll tell you one small incident that happened. On the shoot of Ashram, initially we all used to sit together. There's a long table like that. और सब लोग बैठते थे, everybody from spot boys, this, that, man. We all used to eat together. And Prakash would always sit in the center, okay? तो ऐसा हुआ कि he said, अरे दो साग है, ये है, वो है. मैं खा रही हूँ. 1 घंटा हो गया, मैं खा ही रही हूँ. तो वो बोल रहे हैं, हाँ, सब उठ के चले गए. Excuse me, sorry, ये सब बोल के everybody left. But Prakash sir being gentleman, he waited. He said, और कुछ चाहिए? मैंने कहा हाँ ये थोड़ा और. ऐसे करके मैं 1 घंटा 10 मिनट तक खाती रह गई. Finally I finished and he said, तुम रोज़ इतना टाइम लगाती हो क्या? So I said, हाँ नॉर्मली 1 घंटा तो 1 घंटे का ब्रेक रहता है. दूसरे दिन से मेरे सीन्स पहले होते थे, मुझे 1-1.5 घंटे का टाइम दिया जाता था. And Prakash sir never sat with me to eat because he had to run, right? I'm eating आराम से. I mean, what's Prakash sir? No, he's eaten, he's left. So this happened because I eat chew my food, I relish my food. आराम से I eat.
You take your own space basically to eat food and all.
Many times I'm not focused on your question. Now I'm just eating. This is what happens to me. Pakka foodie.
But Aditi, also the kind of roles which you have done, they are very bold, to start off your career with. At the same time, I loved your roles, but there are also chances of just being putting in the box of offering certain roles only to you. And that happens a lot with all the actors. Koi bhi ho, basically, be it Ayushmann Khurrana, be it Rajkumar Rao, be it Shah Rukh sir also for that matter at one point of time. They were confined into certain characters only. Like Shah Rukh can only romance, Salman can do only action. Ranbir can just go and do something which is like a man without any emotions and all. Do you feel that that can also happen to you kind of and you can also kind of just be put in that box?
Honestly, initially I thought about it, but later when I saw that there are very different varied roles offered to me, and I got scared. I was like, what if I do the same thing there, even though the roles are different, right? But I have been damn lucky. Yeah? Like, see, if you see Bhumi and if you see Pammi, completely poles apart.
Yeah.
She's 19, she's 29. That age group who portray the innocence, the strength here, the strength inside, but the fear. So many contrasting emotions were there. Plus, I've done 3 more shows now which are upcoming. I'm playing a 16-year-old girl in that who turns to be a 26-year-old eventually. But 16-year-old का काफ़ी school ये वो सब है उसमें. Yeah, so I think people are just looking at me as probably, if she can do this also maybe. I don't know, I'm just reading their mind. अभी वो ना दौर बदल रहा है. That's what I'm saying, that the time is changing, and that's why in this time, people want to see their favorite actors like before. People want to see this actor. They're watching out. They're certainly watching out. So I don't want to break that. I don't want to, थिंक क्या अभी मुझे ये करना है तो मैं यही करूँगी और मैं वेट करूँगी, ऐसा नहीं है. मैं स्क्रिप्ट्स के लिए वेट करूँगी. एंड माई सिस्टर इज ऑल्सो टर्न इन टू अ डायरेक्टर नाउ. So we are doing something really amazing together because we really vibe. We did a short film together and we are doing more stuff now. So her film again has a very young girl and her journey.
Yeah.
So I've been lucky, I think. This has not happened with me.
And also, you know, Aditi, when I speak about that, you know, when you were doing intimate scenes, were you like comfortable also on screen? Because see, you know, it's not that easy, and there is a certain, you know, camera. There are certain entourage, you know, available also when you did, you know, even in She, or even in, you know, with Chandan Roy Sanyal, you know, he also spoke about it. Like he tried to make you comfortable, and that is very important because, you know, after the scenes are shot and all, you come back to your normal life. You are sharing an equation with your actor and all. How things have been for you because you are the actress, you are the one, you know, basically taking the lead basically over there, and it's not that easy. It is very complex a character which you have kind of, you know, involved into.
Yeah, certainly. With Chandan, it was easy because we spoke, and certainly there was a vibe between us which was like more of actors vibe, you know. It was not like मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ और मैं बोल रही हूँ मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ तेरे को दिखाती हूँ, वो नहीं था. एक amalgamation था. It was a collective work, you know. We were co-actors there. We were giving and receiving. And one more thing that Imtiaz sir had once said that, you know, more than the women, the men get more awkward in such parts. So you take care of the co-actor. वो मेरे दिमाग में बैठ गया. So जब भी मैंने चंदन के साथ भी scenes किए, I never said that are you okay, are you fine and this that. I said ठीक है ना. I just got the sense of it. And he's like yeah. एक काम करते हैं फिर वो flow होते गया. Like he must have said that he made me comfortable. How did he make me comfortable was, are you okay? I was like, are you okay? Because it was like, he was more concerned about me, but he himself was kind of, how am I doing this and how will, because you think, I mean, you will think, कि ये अगर हाथ यहाँ का यहाँ भी चला गया सीन में तो गलती हो सकती है और लोग it can be misunderstood also. So वो co-actor को संभालना मेरी जिम्मेदारी है as a girl, as a woman and as a co-actor. That's what I realized and मैं ठीक हूँ, इधर से इधर भी गया, कुछ हुआ, don't take stress, it's fine. Even with Vijay, there were scenes where he was getting awkward at times and I said, तू chill करना, मैं हूँ ना, tension मत ले. That's it. It just eases the tension out, you know. Otherwise, to come grope you, this, that, it's tough to do these things, very tough for these boys. You don't do these things right in real life. Yeah, that's how it is.
Coming to this also, you know, as we talk about ashram, it, you know, it kinds of teases a subject which exists in the society. It talks about the Baba, but, you know, it also talks about, you know, there are men like that. You know, probably it could be in our family, it could be in our surrounding, it could be in our relatives and all, we would not even know, who kind of molest girls. You know, there are so many incidents taking place. On social media, if you go, you just feel like, oh my God, what have you opened? Because you just see that dirt and that, you know, dark side of the society which comes out. One such thing which had happened to you also when you were a kid, and you narrated also, you know, how did you kind of, you know, overcame such a situation? Because it was something you went through. You know, it is again a phase which you had gone through.
No, what I realized is that, you know, fearing that, and my parents were very, very vigilant that we know we have two daughters, we have to understand what's happening. So, and being in sports, what happens is you become very empowered. You don't think that somebody can take advantage of you because you have a boy gang who's around you who says, देखो कुछ हुआ ना तो मैं आऊँगा नहीं, you have to take care of yourself. This is the boy gang I had. ये नहीं कि I'll protect you. Because what is to protect? You protect yourself. That is the idea. My coach, my parents, everybody was like that. Still, certain instances happened because they happen with every girl. It's nothing different. How do you deal with it, right? So, firstly, I accepted it that I'm a girl. Maybe the society is such. उसका आंदोलन करने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. And I was very young then, but I still understood this. And I said, let's see how it goes. But I always have faced it with courage. I never thought, oh, if I say this, what will I? I'm just saying again and again that what happens is the victim only feels that the victim is the culprit.
Yeah.
That's not true. Somebody did something to you, you should talk about it. And I'm saying, talk about it till it's addressed. Go wherever you can, speak about it. And especially to the culprit who's done it, go and speak about it. What you did was wrong. what you did was wrong. Don't cry, don't fall down कि मेरे साथ क्या हुआ, ये क्यों हुआ. ऐसा नहीं है वो. आपने मुझे मेरे साथ कुछ वो भी इंसान है ना, उसके भी अंदर एक खुदा है ना, उससे भी समझ आएगा ना कभी तो आएगा. आज नहीं तो उसके आखिरी दिन समझ आएगा, पर आएगा ज़रूर. आपका काम है बोलना ये गलत है, मैं इससे सहमत नहीं हूँ. डोंट डू दिस विथ मी एंड डोंट डू दिस विथ एनीवन एल्स. टेक precautionary steps, go to the however the laws are, do all that. But as a individual, what you owe to yourself is, I am facing you now and telling you this is wrong. I'm saying बिंदास जाके बोलो, कुछ नहीं होगा. मैं बता रही हूँ, मैंने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया, कुछ नहीं होगा. वो पिघल जाता है आदमी सामने, पता है. कोई भी होने दो, आपका फैमिली मेम्बर होने दो या कोई भी होने दो. Don't think you're a girl, you're weak. It's not like that. It's been put in our heads, right? See, in Vedic times, no, men, women were same. Man used to cook, woman used to cook. Man used to clean, woman used to clean. This was the culture, Indian culture. I'm not talking about religion and caste and creed. I'm talking about an Indian culture.
The basic culture.
We worship deities, we worship male deities, we worship female deities. So where did it go wrong? It went wrong with some kind of dominance. And that we need to understand now that the time is changing. Now is the time of Shakti. You see everywhere there are women also coming. I always go and tell everybody, boss, kuch hua na, just don't get angry, don't get abused, don't say anything. Properly, politely say something and mean it when you say it. You see what happens.
And also, don't you feel that earlier what used to happen also, that women used to surrender to dominance, you know? They used to feel like, okay, this is the escape, let's just do and let's just, move on. Now, women kind of have gotten way too aggressive because they are saying that this is just becoming a pattern and they are fighting that out. And, do you feel that has also helped in terms of, because women are more progressive also in a lot of things, and they see that, that they get the hint. It connects, it's some intuition basically, it works for women and all. And now that when they have started drawing boundaries, for some women, maybe still we are fighting a larger population. Even now, when we control, when people like you, people like I, when we control such situation, people don't really mess with us.
People don't. See, I'll tell you very honestly, this is my, like an observation or, this, some feeling that I learnt also over a period of time, that women are naturally receivers. They receive. At the same time, they're givers. See, Mother Earth only gives, right? A female energy is about nurturing. But what has happened is that she has been told that she's weak. Weakness, how? Tell me, where are you weak from when you carry your child for 9 months? Your bloody spine changes, yeah? I mean, how are you weak? From which angle? Plus, my mother, when she birthed me, she said that it was like 100,000 fractures together. So which angle are you weak from? We are mentally strong, we are physically strong. If you tell me today that can you cook your own food? I can even make my own food in the sense of I can sow seed, I can wait because we have patience. We have love, we have nourishment. Where is the problem then? It's just been told to us. Abhi aap product बेच रहे हो ना, इसको बोलोगे, this is the best, this is the best. Say it for 100 years. I'll be like, oh, this is the best. That's what has happened. So it's time not to take the law in your hand. It's time to take yourself in your hand, your self-respect, and be there for yourself more than anyone else. And very lovingly, because we have love. We have a lot of love. I'm not saying men don't, but we have a lot of love. And we have a lot of patience. And we can adore so many things at one time. We can multitask and do so many things. Just acknowledge that. Then the divine will help you, right? That's how it is.
And on that note, of course, we had some very deep conversation. And on food, I really didn't think of, turning out to be so deep on so many aspects of, life and, film and, of course, your individual self. I would let you enjoy this and get some reactions from you. Some of the memories you have associated with food, cringe-worthy memories also, or some good memories which you have made.
Yeah. I think my father was a food technologist and he used to make food. So he made this chuda every Diwali, and he learned it from my mom only, but he used to make it his style. So I remember that so well that whenever there's Diwali and whoever are my close industry people, we make it ourselves, that chuda, and we send it to him. So I'm keeping his recipe alive, and I remember him every time. Everybody eats it also, and it's like, I'll send it to you also. It's phenomenal. It's like amazing. So, yeah.
So now on that note, Bobby Deol must be feeling happy that he's getting chivda in exchange of the food you have had.
Yeah, absolutely.
Much better right
yes.
now.
Now I share my food with him now.
What is that one special, you have spoken about the special foods already,
Yeah.
but one which is associated with your emotions, so when you're happy, what do you prefer having?
When I'm happy, I prefer eating pani puri. When I'm sad, I prefer eating pani puri. When I'm ecstatic, I prefer eating vada pav. And there is one more thing which I absolutely love, which is like this one salad, which is like, when I'm like feeling all chill vibes, you know, like आज मेरा shoot खत्म हो गया, 40 दिन मैंने काम किया, 60 दिन मैंने काम, so I go to that salad co and I eat that one, some picnic salad something, which is with a lot of fruits and all that. I love that.
What is keeping you busy with right now, apart from the food?
I'm very happy to be very busy because I have 3 releases upcoming, and they are with a gap of like 2 months. And Ashram has done so well, so I'm very grateful to the divine, and I'm extremely happy. Other than that, I'm just having fun. Yeah.
Does food help you in coping up with your stressed life, you know, as an actor?
Yeah, it does. It does. So when I eat some things that I really miss and love, like I was in South India for a while, I was shooting a Tamil film. When I came back home and I ate that Varan Bhat, you know, at home, I was like, man mein aise atma shant ho gaya. I was so happy that I'm sitting at home in my pajamas and not eating hotel food and eating home food. So food has an association with stress busting with me, certainly.
On that note, lovely chatting with you, I must say that. And, you know, it was good to have you talking on different subjects and all. I think I'm going to have a memory of this one for sure. Thank you for your lovely time and all the very best.